Hello everyone, I'm Alison from Shengda. Today I'm here to introduce our newly released dual band antenna, the SDBF25 4G antenna. It's tailor-made for distributors. It helps you smoothly connect with all kinds of end users, from engineering and construction to agricultural operations and communication services, effectively reducing business risks and gradually increasing your profit margins. This antenna supports dual frequency bands, 698 to 2700 Hz and 698 to 4800 Hz. It's compatible with 3, 4, 5G and Wi-Fi signals. A single product can cover multiple end-user needs, such as outdoor work for construction teams, long-range farm communications, and signal boosting for service providers. You no longer need to stock different batches for different customers like before. This not only reduces the financial pressure from excess inventory, but also improves the closing rate for each customer. You won't lose customers anymore due to an incomplete product line. Performance and durability. Its 12 decibel high-gain design effectively solves the weak signal problems that end users face in remote areas or places with signal obstruction. After using it, customers will notice a significant improvement in communication quality, which helps maintain a high rate of repeat business. In terms of materials, it uses industrial-grade ABS, which is anti-aging and impact-resistant with a service life of over 5 years. Actual operational data shows that this product's after-sales service rate is less than 3%, greatly reducing the cost of handling after-sales issues and better maintaining customer trust. The product has passed CE and RoHS certifications, fully meeting the entry standards for overseas markets. We have already established long-term partnerships with more than 30 overseas distributors, covering multiple regions such as Europe, Southeast Asia, and South America. We can help you successfully expand into overseas markets. At the same time, we have a technical team that is online 24 hours a day. If you have any questions about installation or use, you can contact us directly for a solution. Alright, thank you for watching. If you need samples for testing, a detailed price list, or have requirements for a custom solution, you can leave your needs in the comments section and we will contact you promptly. You can also visit our official website directly to download product information and our partnership policy. Bye-bye.